Hey, cover up.
Sit down.
Start the wagon for this one?
Yeah.
Wow.
You want it?
4 for 8. 1 for 5.
Yeah.
We just saw everything that she owns, and so did everybody else who's standing here.
So she's going to have to take a little trip and she can get picked up later.
Okay. Keep in mind when we do
You want it? You want it?
Yeah, well, unless you guys need.
We have one already, so.
Yeah.
You called it out.
I can take it for you. I have nothing. I'm all caught up. So I'll do it.
Okay. I'm okay with that.
Okay. Unless you needed it.
We don't need it.
Oh, yeah, it's all way too much.
Does she have shoes?
Do you have shoes?
No.
Does she have shoes anywhere?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we grab those so she has them?
You've got to go.
Hey, there's nothing.
That's way too much for this. And Allie, we might write her a ticket for that, but she was peeing. She had her skirt all the way up, and we saw like I said, everything that she owns, and so did everybody else over here.
Can we just take her home?
No.
Can you give her a ticket? We can take her home.
We'll give her a ticket, but it's going to be at the jail because that's a little bit too egregious. She'll be out in a couple hours though. Once she sobers up. Can we get her shoes though if she has some? Okay, there they are.
What's your last name, Kelly?
What's happening? What are you going to do? Kelly, they're going to take you because you're peeing in public. And I tried, but we're going to come pick you up.
She'll be out of there in a couple hours if everything goes well. Does she live here in Arizona?
No.
Okay. Does somebody here have an address that we can use? Does anybody in Arizona, or anyone in there live in Arizona?
She has a house. Sorry, what?
Does somebody here live in Arizona?
None of us. We don't live in Arizona. Yeah, we're just on a party vacation.
Then what's probably going to happen is she's going to get held in custody until she sees a judge around 9 or 10 o'clock.
No, we don't live here. Yes, we do. You have a house here. I have a house here. So can we get her out?
Live here?
Yeah, I got an address in Chandler.
Okay.
So we have that. I got her phone and her ID. So you can't do anything else for her right now. You guys need to leave.
Wait, why do you need my address though?
It's not, we got
she doesn't have a local. Yeah,
but you're not gonna like mail me
her mail would probably go for her.
Might get sent to your house.
I don't want her mail sent to my house.
Then she's gonna be held in custody.
That's not her address. It's not gonna be.
Your ride's leaving.
Okay, don't send her mail to my address.
Okay, then she's gonna be held in custody until she is judged in the morning.
That's fine.
We pick her up later.
Yes. Right now we don't have any reason to hold her, but she has to see a judge. Unless you come down and post the bond.
Yes, I just did.
And then we'll get her out.
You need to leave. Goodbye.
If you post the bond, it's either $250 or $500.
Okay, it's not.
Just have her call you. We'll have her call you guys when she gets down there.
Gotta go.
Am I standing in it?
Yeah,
No.
just watch me step in.
Hey, Bobby,
you put a
Yeah. All right. You have anything in your hand? No? Okay.
The wagon on the way? I have not started it yet.
Oh my god. Do you guys have my shoes?
Yeah, we have. They're right here. And we got your phone and your ID, okay? She's probably going to be in custody. That girl didn't want to let her use her local Chandler address.
Where do you live? Kelly, where do you live?
Washington. I don't live here. I live in Portland, Oregon.
So this Vancouver, Washington is not a good address?
Also, check this out, Danny.
No, it is.
Yeah.
What do you smell over here?
Urine?
Yeah, because everybody, aside from her, everybody else goes over here, so at least block a little bit. That's why we enforce UIP down here, because when these guys show up and go to work in the morning, if anybody's in there, they don't want to smell it. It's a bit of a nuisance. What is that? Oh, okay.
Did you call for that one? Want to start? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. 2729. Kelly,